I built a neural network for my spam classifier, which means I have layers with nodes, and these nodes are connected to nodes in other layers, and layer by layer, thus building the neural network. As activation function in hidden layers, I utilized the rectified linear unit, which seems to be the most popular. And for the output layer, I experimented with softmax and sigmoid, but obviously due to the binary classification nature of this problem, there was not much of a difference, and I finally stuck mostly to sigmoid. Using the known classification of the data, you can then calculate the loss, and from the loss initiate the gradient descent to update and train the network. And thus I trained the network using the training data and monitored the accuracy of the training data and test data on the network in order to avoid overfitting. Overfitting was mostly of an issue with fixed learning rates, whereas less of an issue with decayed learning rates, and I finally applied decayed learning rates. So as a final choice, the network of choice was one of many, so I attempted different quantities of layers and nodes, and the one I picked is one with 54 times 2 nodes in the hidden layers, 108 nodes, double the amount of features, and a single node on the output layer utilizing the sigmoid activation. I picked epoch 6000 or iteration 6000 from this training session because this produced the max accuracy on the test data, and I think this is a suitable point because the accuracies and losses of the network are stable, there is no major oscillation, and this produces an accuracy of above 92%, which is well above the expected 70% and thus deemed suitable. Thank you.